Parents should be made aware of the risks and the consequences of unsafe practices such as not using a child restraint system. Children in India are exposed to the risk of road crashes on multiple occasions, while commuting to schools, while traveling in private vehicles. Many parents feel that their children are absolutely safe on their laps, but that is not the case. We think that as parents, we will always keep our child safe on our laps, but if there is an accident, the child can fly off the lap or you may fall on the top of the baby, causing even more injuries. Holding your baby firmly is not the same as putting the baby in a car seat. In Delhi, most parents do not use a restraining belt for children, unnecessarily risking their lives. Even when it comes to infant car seats, very few parents in the city use them. I think that not just as a precaution, parents should make it a habit and never allow kids to sit in the front seat.